Find 2 plus 3i to the power of 4 in the form a plus bi. So here we're raising a complex number, remember this is just a number, to the power of 4. Now to do this, we're going to use binomial expansion, and I'm going to lay it out in the same way that I laid it out when we did binomial expansion. So if you don't remember that, or you're not sure about it, go back and have a look at the binomial expansion tutorials. So first of all, if we're raising to the power of 4, we need to use Pascal's row and the fourth row of Pascal's triangle, which is 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. Now we either need to know those values or we could use combinations to find them. Remember, this one is 4 choose 0, 4 choose 1, 4 choose 2, 4 choose 3, and 4 choose 4. If we don't remember them, we could calculate them using that. The next bit is to do the first power, increasing powers of 2. So we start with 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. Then we have 2 to the power of 8, decreasing 1 each time. 2 to the power of 3, sorry, which is 8. 2 to the power of 2, 2 squared, which is 4. 2 to the power of 1. And then 2 to the power of 0, which is 1. And then we do 3i to increasing power. So 3i to the power of 0 is 1. 3i to the power of 1 is 3i. 3i to the power of 2 is 9i squared. 3i to the power of 3 is going to be 27i cubed. And 3i to the power of 4 is 81i to the power of 4. Now what we might notice here is that we can do something with these powers of I, which we saw in the get ready above. Because I squared is equal to minus 1, we can simplify this one down to just minus 9. I cubed is equal to minus I, so this one simplifies down to minus 27i. And I to the power of 4 was equal to 1, so this just simplifies down to 81. Now, just like with binomial expansion, we can multiply down each of these columns, and we get 16 plus 96i minus 216 minus 216i plus 81. Simplifying this, we have the 16, the minus 216, and the 81 gives us minus 119. And then we have 96i minus 216i gives me minus 120i. And we can simplify this down into this form, which is what we want. This is a complex number, because of those powers of I always simplifying down to either a real number or an imaginary number. And notice that that means raising this complex number to the power of 4 gives us a complex number as our answer.